If you made a turkey this Christmas, don't throw away the carcass. You can use it to make turkey stock and bring your soups to the next level. Add your turkey carcass to the largest pot you have. It might not look very appetizing now, but don't hold anything back. All those bones are absolutely full of flavor. Now add 2 large onions cut into quarters. Don't worry about peeling them, we're going to strain everything anyway. Also add about 4 roughly chopped carrots and celery stalks, as well as 2 whole smashed cloves of garlic, whole peppercorns, dried bay leaves, fresh thyme, and parsley. Next, pour in enough water to cover the carcass, about 1 gallon or so, then turn the heat on to high to bring everything up to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer for at least 2 hours or until the liquid has reduced by about half. This is such a great recipe because you can just let it do its thing on the stove while you relax. Plus, your house will smell incredible. Now all you need to do is remove the large bones and vegetable pieces with a wire strainer or slotted spoon, then strain the liquid through a sieve. At this point, you can use your stock for soups or sauces, or allow it to cool, then store in the fridge or freezer for future use. Subscribe to Dished for more delicious recipes.